Getting ready to head out, get some exercise, hike, enjoy nature, and at the same time do something important, which is to look for the young lady, the young 13-year-old that's been missing in Detroit. She was abducted and suspectedly aimed by her stepfather, and we're gonna check the neighborhood woods and see if this idiot hurt and left this child in my neighborhood, and at the same time get some exercise. The last time we went on this adventure, or this exercise hike, I had to cut it short because of the battery. I don't know my situation now. Well, my battery's full, but like I said, I'm new at this. My car's running funny. I'm new at this, and maybe it's running funny because it's cold. I'm new at this process, but I'm getting better in a lot of ways. Yeah, she's cold. Still cold. So I'm learning more, and anytime you learn something, it's beneficial. No matter what it is, new information is always good. It makes you a better person. Now we got two parts of this park, two more parts of this park that we're going to check, and in the process get some exercise. We already don't check the one side of the park, and it wasn't bad. Well, I didn't see anything suspicious. Now we're going to check this other trail. We're going to do as much as we can, because when them hips and them knees start acting up, they start acting up. The name of this park is Rouge Park. The Rouge River runs all the way up to Waterford, I know. Waterford is another community. And this young lady, she went missing on the east side, and I know this is the west side, and it's a possibility that she's not over here, and I'm hoping that she's not. But I do hope the family gets some kind of reprieve, because it's a sad situation when you can't bury your loved one, have some closure. So this is the trail that I decided to go on, and to see if, besides getting exercise, I've been on this trail many a time. Besides just getting exercise, I want to see if the baby's over here, because like I said, I believe her family deserves closure. And the ninja that did this, looks like somebody been down this trail. And the ninja that did this needs to receive all the time. He deserves every second of the time that the authorities give him. But I got two other videos that I haven't uploaded, and it was the other parts of when I took my first hike. It started snowing. I explained my some more family dynamics, because I'm just here to introduce myself to the world. It's not about being famous, because that's not who I am. I never in my life wanted to be famous. Even when I was a child, I never wanted to be famous. I think fame is something that can be taken away from you. And talent ain't, or isn't, or can't be taken away from you. So we finna head out to this trail that I love. I love this trail up here a lot. And we're gonna see the beauty of nature and see some of the, see what we can discover. And I'm gonna try to give you my point of view as a retired, retired person, single person, well, not really single, separated person. A day in the life, nothing super special that I'm gonna do, because I do this with or without the cameras. And we're in Michigan, and it is cold. You see the breath? It's cold in Michigan. So I'm finna buckle up a little bit. I wanna do this before we get out there. I keep my firearm with me for safety. I have a license. I am a licensed carry. I have a CPL. I've never been in prison, never been in jail. I introduce myself again. My name is Ed. Been married over 30 years, have 3 children, 2 boys and a girl, all of them in their 30s. My oldest is my stepson, which I raised since he was at the age of 3. And he will forever be one of my children. I just became a grandfather 4 months ago. My daughter, after finishing nursing school, RN, had her first child, which is my first grandbaby. I'm trying to live healthier because I want to be around for her to walk across the stages of life. And that's the honest God truth. I don't need to embellish. I'm at an age, I'm 58 years old. I don't need to embellish my life. I don't need to be super special. I don't need to be better than anybody else. So let's go. I'm gonna pause you for a second and turn the camera.